Bueno, com veieu, anem preparats per anar al gimnàs. Però abans hem de fer una petita paradeta. Look, that's right there. Yeah.
I us preguntareu, quin nassos és una Krabby Patty? Bueno, aquí va.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Da 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 Preparing the Krabby Patty!
Us ha quedat clar, eh? Continuem.
Okay, tell me your expectations about the Krabby Patty.
The patty would be the best in bikini bottom, but the pineapple frosty should have been a kelp shake.
A what?
Kelp shake.
You want a shake to taste like seafood?
Kelp.
Kelp is the un alga,
It's iconic.
right?
It's iconic.
No,
And a side of
nobody would
chocolate.
like that
And a
though.
side of chocolate.
And a side of chocolate with the kelp. Oh my goodness, disgusting. Bé, tenen allí també. Ai, que se m'acaba el mòbil. Això. That's a Krabby Patty.
What everyone makes a Krabby Patty?
I don't know. You're the expert. Is it Krabby Patty enough?
It looks like a patty. I don't know what the Krabby Patty is. Of course.
I told you needed a spoon. És un gelat. Yeah.
Very pineapple. Well, not very pineapple. It's like 90% vanilla, 10% pineapple.
Vanilla and pineapple. Nah.
Yeah, it was like a vanilla with a... Can you try?
Let me try. It's just mostly vanilla. Yeah. No té gaire gust a pinya. Té gust de vainilla.
That is a Krabby Patty. Tomato, 2 cheese. That's Krabby Patty.
That's a Krabby Patty.
The secret sauce.
It's a square. Did you see that it's a square?
Yeah, that's Wendy style.
When this side is always square. Nom. I just wish it came with a little toy of SpongeBob or something. That would make it more special instead of just like a regular burger. Diu que l'hamburguesa està bé, que està bona, però això de pinya té poc, és bàsicament quasi tot vainilla amb una miqueta de sirope de pinya. Òbviament s'ho menjarà tot perquè li agrada. Mira, vull provar les patates de Wendy's. I want to try one.
It's like unique taste. Unique taste.
Unique taste. Així es veuen, molt boniques. Jo soc molt fan de les patates de McDonald's, però... a veure... McDonald's fries are better. No, és que m'agraden molt les del McDonald's i aquestes no m'agraden tant. Però bueno, també són patates. General review of this meal?
It's okay.
It's okay.
I mean, it's comfort food. The taste, 4 out of 5. Pretty good. Nothing special.
Do you feel like you're in a pineapple under the sea? No?
I feel like I'm in a Wendy's. And I got a normal burgers.